हॉटेल रमाडा प्लाझा येथे ग्लोबल इंडिया बिझनेस फोरमतर्फे आयोजित बिझनेस एक्सलन्स अवॉर्ड अँड इंटरनॅशनल सेमिनार 2021 कार्यक्रमाचे आयोजन करण्यात आले होते. कार्यक्रमाला विधान परिषदेच्या उपसभापती डॉक्टर नीलम गोऱ्हे, मोरोकोचे राजदूत मोहम्मद मलिकी, कॅस्ट्रिकाचे राजदूत क्वाल्डिओ अन्सोरेना, अझरबैजानचे राजदूत मोहम्मद मलिकी, नायजेरियाचे उच्चायुक्त अहमद सुले, संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष जितेंद्र जोशी आदी उपस्थित होते. यावेळी मान्यवरांच्या हस्ते उद्योग आणि व्यवसाय क्षेत्रात उल्लेखनीय कामगिरी करणाऱ्या व्यक्तींना पुरस्कार प्रदान करण्यात आले. डॉक्टर गोऱ्हे म्हणाल्या, महाराष्ट्र सरकार असे अनेक उपक्रम राबवत आहे ज्याद्वारे आर्थिक सामाजिक संबंध दृढ होतील. सामाजिक व आर्थिक बदलाला सामोरे जावे लागत आहे. अशा वेळी पर्यावरण बदलासारख्या विषयाची योग्य जाण आणि माहिती असणे आवश्यक आहे. प्रत्येक देशाकडे त्याविषयी नियोजन असणे गरजेचे आहे. 2030 पर्यंत कार्बन उत्सर्जन कमी करायचे आहे. यासाठी सर्वांना मिळून प्रयत्न करावे लागतील.
In the capacity of Deputy Chairperson of Legislative Council, which is the upper house of Maharashtra, we have been privileged to visit more than 15 countries in different areas. However, we have not been able to go personally and to understand. However, the initiative taken by GIB is very important in many contexts. First is definitely the context of local and global, and all of us will know that after liberalization in India, many avenues have been opened, and we can definitely see lot of changes happening all over in social, economic, cultural world. And also definitely Government of India and Government of Maharashtra is taking initiative so that there should be more interactive spaces which can be used by countries at different parts all over the world. I will like to also mention the context in which we are operating, especially after the post-COVID environment, to meet everybody personally and to have interactions. This is so precious, all of us we know. However, still we are going through a transformative phase. We cannot say categorically whether COVID-19 has finished or not, or we are just waiting and long journey. And still, though many of us have not seen wars personally, at least in Indian context I can say, but this was more worse or more serious than World War, because we have to go through all the changes, social, economical, health-wise, and especially in India and all the countries. We lost many of our colleagues, many of our counterparts in different parts of the world also, and then this is something which is we cannot forget very easily. So keeping this in mind, when we look at the future, definitely we need to remind ourselves regarding the climate change and sustainable development goals, because the context in which we have been operating, unless and until we are not able to identify, acknowledge, mitigate, and to have policies which will be more friendly, and after the COP26 in Glasgow, every partner, every country is supposed to have their own action plan. And we are also working in the context of 2030, where we are expecting to have reduced carbon emissions. So keeping this all in mind, I do feel that GIBB and Dr. Jitendra Joshi taking initiative in India is very important. In informal discussions what we had as a Deputy Chairperson of the Legislative Council, I will like to invite you to Legislative Council, that is Vidhan Bhavan, sometime, and we will try for that, where Government of Maharashtra, whatever plans in our mind, what are the best practices and what can be shared, and along with that what we are expecting from Maharashtra and how best practices can be replicated in context of different types of tourism.